going on, everybody? It's Trey Neo here, and welcome back to another live day trading recap video. Today, you've got a doozy of a video. You're going to get to see, as always, the first hour of trades live recorded. You get to see the trades in real time, the real emotions, the real decision making. After that, we take a lot of trades. After that, I actually streamed for a long time today. And we took a lot of trades. I'm not putting them all live recorded, even though I was live. It would make the video would be like 4 hours long. I can't do that. But I'll go over those trades with you guys, obviously. Plug them into TraderView, go over the statistics, the real equity curve of our account. As always on this channel, if you are excited, please take the half second, scroll down, hit the like button. Really does help. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. With that being said, let's get into the live trades. Yep, we are long SPY at 460.63. We are long 75 shares of SPY. Our current sell look is actually not that far away. Our current sell look is actually this bar right now. If it can, I mean, that's still, I say not that far away. That would still be a really nice move up. But if it breaks that line, we are getting out. Obviously, the thing about trades like this, the gap down trades, and looking at yesterday's bars, is that, you know, on days like now our sell condition, our sell level is about to go up and up and up, right? This is actually the lowest point that we can get out of this trade, because after this bar, our sell condition goes here, then it goes here, 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 here. We shall see what happens, though. Take the trades as the system does. You have SPY breaking, obviously, breaking down levels. You get long, and you sell when it breaks up levels. And that level moves with you. That's the strat you guys should know by now. Well, I don't know. Anybody can have just discovered me, but good luck, everyone, today. Let's make those tendies. Let's trade our systems, right? Let's trade our systems. Stick to your plan. Match the P&L of your system. That's the goal, right? That's the goal, right? Can't make money every day, as I proved yesterday. like I said in yesterday's video, though, it's still more fun to be green, though. But you've got to be able to really accept. I read something on Twitter this morning that I really resonated with. It said something along the lines of, a lot of beginner traders' gains are hid behind their fear of losing. And I really felt that, because I felt like that was me for a long time. Like I hated red days so much that it like scared me out of taking good setups. And trading, like profitable trading, that's something that I have learned is really, really accepting that red days are going to happen. It's just going to happen. Like, you don't need to be all emotional and worried and afraid. Like, things are just going to happen. Take your setups, trade the way you're supposed to trade, get in where you're supposed to get in, get out where you're supposed to get out, and see how it goes, right? That's it. That's trading. You're doing all that with a statistically proven edge. That's also that's the next point. That's important, but life lessons with trade. Hey, that one was a stock lesson. Come on, you got to give me that. That was at least stock education. It might have been another weird rant, but at least that one was about stocks. We're getting dumped into it. Well, I say dumped into. I mean, we're down $10, but rolling over a little bit on us here. DRCT is pulling back and trying to break candle over candle for you low float traders. Looks nice. Nice open. Just like in poker, downswings are a thing. Can't let that get to you. Yeah. It's just like anything that has no one right way to play it. You're going to have bad moments. There's going to be bad things are going to happen sometimes. You've got to keep doing what you can to plug along, plug forward. AMD is up. AMD has been really strong lately, hasn't it? IMPP, nice open as well. He said it, chat, IMPP. Really nice rip. Is NVIDIA doing the same, or is AMD like outperforming? Well, it was, but NVIDIA just rolled. AMD is outperforming again. Wow, AMD is up 1%. NVIDIA's down over 1%, 1.5%. Wow. Nice. Our trade is like really just indecisive and choppy. Our current sell, I think we're actually looking at high now. No, we're looking at the bar before high. Our current sell condition is up there. We need to get up there in order to sell this stock right now. Obviously, the next minute it goes up here, and then after that we jump all the way down here. So, in 2 minutes, our sell condition jumps all the way down here. Oof. Trying to roll on me here, Spy? Would you like to roll, my friend? Are you following the video down? I guess we could have looked at the video and assumed that was about to happen. Go look at some of your large S&P stocks like Apple. Use it to assume what's about to happen with the S&P. I got super zoomed in on DRCT. DRCT is bull flagging here. I would call this a bull flag. See if it breaks out, but I would call this a bull flag. Move up out of open consolidation. Okay, new bar. Our sell is now. we're not selling this bar unless it breaks 461.6. You think we're gonna get that, chat? Think we're gonna get a move up, a point move up here? I mean, shoot, we did. When SPY was a little bit more volatile, volatility on SPY is actually coming down a bit. But when SPY was a little bit more volatile, we actually were getting point moves on 1 minute bars. It is a little bit less volatile now. Oh gosh, DRCT just huge fake out. Be careful trying to be a frontside breakout buyer. That's the sound of blown accounts. That's the sound of blown accounts. How many people just bought that? Oh my god, bull flag breakout. Yay. Jeez Louise, that's wild. Speaking of blown accounts, I'm just kidding. We're down 30 bucks, but we are getting rolled into. SPY pushing low a day. Great, great, fun. Okay, now our sell comes all the way down here. Our sell comes all the way down here now, but it might be too little too late as SPY is now dumping. Day like yesterday where it just seems like every trade the system took couldn't go right. Doesn't matter though. Once again, what was I just preaching? To be able to accept that you're going to have red days. And we're not red yet. We've seen crazier comebacks from this strat, from the system. We were down over 50 there at lows. DRCT is now going to bounce. DRCT just crushed anyone that bought this breakout. They all had to sell, panic sell down here. And now they're going to ramp it back up. Watch. Watch them ramp DRCT back up now. Just to really rub it in everyone's face that bought this breakout. Long here, sell here, rips again. That's gross. That is gross. If your day trade account goes below 25K, does it give you a few days to cover? I do not think so. I have not yet done that. I have not yet taken my account back below 25K, but I don't think it does. I think if you're below 25K in your accounts, you are, considered under PDT for that. What the? Whoa. 5 gifted subs? Hello? That scared the hell out of me. That was so loud. Do you guys see my face? Mr. Hazard 69 with the 5 gifted subs here on Twitch. Thank you very much, my friend. That scared me too. I was loud as shit. I actually have the music turned up for you guys, so it's probably scary for you too. Thank you, Hazard. Thank you very much. Seriously, that's fucking awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh. Keep my wife's name. YouTube's not gonna be able to hear that, but I made Will Smith yelling, "Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth," my sub sound. Thanks, Sabami. You guys gonna start a hype train while we're in a losing trade? Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Sabami's gifted 25 subs. Hazard's gifted 5. That was Hazard's first ever time gifting subs, and he went for 5. Thanks for all the useful info and entertaining stream, good sir. Hey, thank you for the support, brother. I do it all for free, man. But obviously, I appreciate the donations. This is how I like running my business like this, right? I don't charge you guys for anything. I give you everything. I mean, I give you my whole algorithm. Ick! Oh god. Hype train started. Yeah, I mean, it's shit. I gave you guys my whole algorithm for free. I give you guys everything that I know for free. And if you decide it's worth something, there's options that you can donate, and obviously I appreciate the donations. But I don't want to, I'm never going to be the guy that charges you for anything. Ick! What is going on? Oh, you're gifting subs one at a time so that you can keep hearing the same. YouTube's going to have no idea what's going on, but every time that gift sub pops up, everyone's hearing, keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth. Oh, here we go, by the way. We are still in a trade, paying attention. What is going on? Thank you, Ick. I appreciate it. They've gifted 881 subs in the channel. Wow, Ick. Woo! Level 3 is complete on the hype train. Hold on. I gotta put on hype train music too. Put on hype train music too. This is gonna make this section of the YouTube video really weird because it's all about Twitch, but if you guys start a hype train for me, I gotta make it about you. Ick! Put on the hype train music. Oh god, we got rolled over into again. Gross. Gross! Oh my god, we're at a level 4 hype train. Holy shit. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. And another one. Oh, Toast Tilapia. Thank you. Ick, thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much, man. Over and over and over and over again. Thank you very much. Oh no. I do say that if we complete a level 5 hype train, I drink a beer. Or actually, we just completed level 4, and we're already 23% of the way there. You guys might get a 10 a.m. beer here. You guys might get a 10 a.m. beer here. Okay, we're down 40 bucks in our trade. Sorry, YouTube. If you guys are solely watching, if you guys don't watch Twitch and only watch YouTube, you're going to be very confused this whole trade. What the hell's going on? We're still paying attention, I promise. I pay attention. I promise you we're still paying attention. Twitch is just popping off right now. Wolf, thank you. Make it a beer mosa. Ick! It's funny every time. Every time the alert goes off, it's funny. Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth. Sabami 100, thank you. Shotgun. Shotgun a beer for level 5? I feel like the level 5 has to get to like at least 150% for a shotgun. Come on. Come on. A 10 a.m. shotgun? I would like to go to the gym today. If I start drinking, it's going to make going to the gym harder. But hell, if you guys... What is happening? Why? What am I doing to deserve this? Snap up, 5 gifted on the top. What am I doing? I'm just sitting here. I'm losing money in a trade currently. Why? Oh, now I have the shotgun? Okay, honestly, that's fair. That probably does... That does put it to 161%. Okay, now I will shotgun a beer. Let me set it out. Let me set it out so I can start cooling off. I hate shotgunning refrigerated cold beer. At this rate, everyone's a sub? No. We have been to that point. I mean, I've had over... What's my max subs? I think 770 something is my max sub count. I had some sugar daddies really gifting me subs during that. Then everybody was really a sub. We're at 197 now, almost back to 200. Thank you very much, guys. I will shotgun this beer. Let me get out of this trade first. I don't want to shotgun a beer on YouTube. YouTubers, if you guys want to see more fun stuff like Trey shotgunning beers and listening to pumped up music, come join us on Twitch. We're actually getting relatively close to selling here. Let me trade from this screen so that you guys can see the sell mark. Obviously, if it breaks that green line, it is a sell candle. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. What's going on here? Oh. It's doing what it did yesterday. This is what like every trade I took yesterday off camera. You guys didn't get to see a lot of them, but it felt like they would get so close. Hey, you want to get out of your trade? Up and dump. Hey, you want to get out of your trade? And dump. You Here we go. Nice, cool, fun. Love it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Now we're back down 50. Beer 30? Oh, I am. I am shotgunning this. I will just wait till this trade's closed. I don't want to do it on YouTube. I don't know if YouTube would be happy seeing somebody shotgun a beer on their platform. I don't know, actually. They probably wouldn't care. But warn YouTubers that there are a lot of degenerates on Twitch. That is true. That is very true. Yeah. A lot of degenerate conversations happen over here. Come on, just need a little breakup at this point. Just a little breakup and we're fucking finally out of this trade. When did we get in this trade? 9:32? It's been 14 minutes already in this trade. How long do you trade this algo for thinking about adapting it somehow? What do you mean? I adapt it all the time. I have changed my algorithm probably fucking 10 times since I started using it a month ago. I'm always adapting, always, especially right now while it's in its, we've only been using it for a month. It's still very young. It's always in adaptation and optimization phase, right? We're always looking to improve it. Crypto Hulk drinks on YouTube. I'm sure they don't care, but I need to pay attention. I can't go cut this beer open right now because I need to pay attention to this trade anyway. Ooh, I haven't received the hype train emote in a long time. What is that? A crying lion? What the hell? Thanks, guys. Icardon, Snappa, Hazard, Tilapia, Wolf, Sabami. I think that was everybody that contributed. If I missed anybody, I really do apologize. I think I got everybody. Thank you, guys. That was awesome. Thank you. That was a lot of fun. I guess I can put my regular music back on now. Oh, okay, here we go. We're getting a push finally. We're getting a push. Okay. Wherever this bar closes, we're out of the trade. Oh, what did I just do? Yep, wherever this bar closes, we are now out of the trade. It closes in 35 seconds, though. A little bit of ways away. Maybe we can get a push. I mean, shoot, we're only down $18 right now. We were down 50. Actually, no, we were down like 65 on this low. We are vastly improving on where we were. 15 seconds, 14 seconds, we're out of the trade. This is why we wait. This is why we don't panic sell lows. This is why I think stop losses are hindering. I think stop losses are a hindrance. Wow, we only lost $17 in that trade. That is sick. I mean, listen, it's still a loss, but we were down 65. We got almost a $50 move here to the upside. We're not looking for much here. Oh, God, of course it's pushing up. Oh, really? Well, I'm still long. Unfortunately, it pushed up right before we got long. It's actually right at the sell condition now. Okay, did that break? Okay. We are now selling the close of this candle. It broke this high. What the hell? Okay, every trade I'm going to take today, I'm going to get gifted subs. YouTube is going to be confused as shit. Jake, thank you. 3 gifted. Oh, that put us at 200. Ooh. We're at 200 subs on Twitch. Thank you, Jake. I appreciate that. We are getting out immediately at the close of this candle, which is still in 30 seconds. Oh, we're getting a little push here. Oh. Remember when I said we weren't looking for much in this trade because of this consolidation? Well, doesn't mean you can't get a big pop like that. I sold half there. I'm still in 40 shares. That was really nice. That was really nice. Takes us to green on the, well, break even on the day. We're up $1. Woo! Nice trade. I mean, shoot, for a 1 minute trade, that was really nice. It took us what? It took us like 15 minutes to lose that money and like 1 minute to make it back. It's things you love to see. Okay. Long here. Long at 464.7. Here we go. Back into SPY. Let's see what happens this time. This time, our sell condition is a lot higher than it was last time. Sell conditions are up there currently. This last trade we took was instant in out. This one won't be the same. Well, unless we get some kind of insane rip. I mean, I would love for it to be the same. Let's rip. But I don't think that's going to happen again this time. Yeah. This actually is that was perfect click. This is our current sell bar. So next one is here, and then after that, so in 2 minutes, our sell condition comes down a bit. I'm out. Enjoy the party today. You're out, Marco. What the? Not allowed to leave. What is this? You're not allowed to leave the stream. You must be here. Remember when I said I didn't want to drink beer on YouTube? Cheers, YouTube. My stream got me drinking, so it's happening. Oh. Pump this market. We need to squeeze shorts. Shit, we've been squeezing shorts. SPY. Look at the SPY run. Look at the SPY, like 11, 12. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 12th day. And out of the past 11, there's only been one red day. Only one red bar out of the past 11. Like, we've been squeezing the shorts. Remember, I mean, you guys are obviously around stock market social media, or else you wouldn't be watching me. How many people did you see that were bearish down here? And now how many people are you seeing that are bullish up here? I want you guys to clock that and to understand that that's not how it works. My community, I want you guys to be better than that, right? We're not bearish. We're not bearish after huge moves down and bullish after huge moves up, right? I mean, you can see it even with the way that I trade, even on a much smaller scale. You know, we are longing moves down, selling moves up, right? Like you can see it even in this strategy. It's not on this. Once again, this is a much larger scale, but still. I can't help everybody, but I can help my community at least. We got a little green there for a second. Little indecision right here in SPY for now, since we've entered this trade. Still bearish, still getting squeezed. Yeah. I mean, well, now's the time. If you're bearish on inflation, I get it. Listen, I get why everybody was panicky because of 1, large inflation, 2, interest rates rising, 3, World War III potentially happening. I understand it, but technically speaking, all I can speak to is the technicals because that's all I can see. You can still wait for a bounce, right? If you're still bearish on the markets for those reasons, that's fine. Guess what? Now you can short it. Don't short it here, short it here. Don't short it here, short it here. Don't short it here, short it here. You know what I mean? If your long-term thesis is still bear, that's fine. But this is where you want to be doing it, not down here, right? Have you ever tried trading futures since you like to try to trade SPY? No, never with real money. I have paper traded futures before, and I did really well. But I always say that I still think paper trading is important for beginners, but anybody that has been trading for a while will be successful paper trading, I think, for the most part. It's just, there's just no worries about it. And that's where you want to get with your real money trading, right? Just no worries, no concerns, no emotions. But paper trading is bad because you have no emotion? Yes. I think you should still do it. It's still a decent way to test your strategy. I mean, that's essentially what I'm doing, right? That's essentially what this is doing. This side of my screen, the algorithm side of my screen, is paper trading the strategy, right? It's just doing it automatically. I'm not doing it, and then I'm over here real money trading against it. It's still a way you can prove your strategy without emotion. Yes, but then obviously when you start real money trading, putting in your hard-earned money, it's a whole different ball game. Bear, bull, or ape. Hey, the apes are loving life too. The apes are loving life too. They've been on a hell of a run. Yesterday they were all crying manipulation during a down halt because I guess they don't know what volatility halts are. But once again, I can only help my community. I can't help everybody. I try to help everybody that was in my community that was crying about the halt. I explained what volatility halts are to them. Excuse me. Strategy makes it better. That way you don't flip strategies mid-trade. You never want to be changing. Well, okay. all I can give you is my opinion, right? But you never want to be changing your strategies while the markets are open. That's when, the money is earned when the markets are closed. That's corny as shit, and I know it is, but money is earned when markets are closed. It's just like any sports, right? Championships are won in the off season. That's the cliche sports saying, right? I'd say the same thing about stocks. Your strategy development and strategy optimization should all be done when the markets are closed. When the markets are open, this is the easy part. This is the part that takes the least amount of work. All I'm doing right now is trading my strategy. It's simple. It's really easy. After markets close, that's when all the optimization and the work comes in. By the way, this is a sell candle, I believe. Yes, now it is definitely a sell candle. So in 25 seconds, we are selling. I'm actually going to take half. This is a really big push. So I'm taking half here. 30 seconds on the last 40 shares. Cruise control at this point. Yeah, no, I mean, market open should be, once again, in my opinion, for me, is the easiest part of trading. You just don't want to start changing your strategy when markets are open, because then you start making emotional decisions. You're like, oh my God. That's when you start to go like, oh gosh, I'm red. Okay, well, I can't trade like that because I'm red on the day, so now I need to trade like this. And like, you start making poor emotional decisions, right? Okay, we're out of the trade. That was a $33 winner, actually, in the middle of some speeches there. We made a pretty nice trade. I wasn't really talking about the trade much, but that was actually a pretty nice little win there. I'm coming at you like ha ha ha. Oh, shoot fire. I just sat back down and realized that we shorted here. I am short the markets now at 460.39. I'm not going to lie. I just got back from the bathroom and I forgot that we were below this SMA line now. So we are now also looking for shorts. Okay, I am short here. Sorry that I literally just came out of nowhere, just sat back down. I was in the bathroom because I thought, I was like, well, we're not looking for another long anytime soon. So I figured I had time to go to the bathroom. But since we're below the SMA line, we're now looking at shorts too. So I am short the markets currently at 460.39. Is Trey a genius? No. Not even close. I coded 119 line algorithm and now it makes me a little bit of money. It's not at all complicated or difficult. Well, I'm not gonna say, I don't know, whatever. Let's see what happens here, chat. Ha ha ha. Obviously, why are we short? Same reason we get long. It's breaking up. It's below this SMA line and it's breaking up above levels. So that's when we short. That's why this SMA line is on the chart. We long anywhere. We don't care if we're above or below it for longs, but for shorts, we only short below it. Because for some reason, that is what makes the algorithm the most money. He's a modest genius? Oh, if there's one thing I'm not, it's modest. I'm the fucking best. Yeah, why not be green after I short? Woo! Come on, I want to hit the short button and see immediate red. I need immediate satisfaction in my trading. Thank you, Spy. Thank you for listening to me. You guys see that? You guys see how I move the markets? I can move the S&P. Here we go. Starting to roll over a little bit. Cities in a row. Blow. Trading as a dopamine button. This is dangerous. I'm obviously, well, hopefully, obviously, I'm joking when I say that, but I do think a lot of beginners, and I kind of think I used to feel this way too when I was a beginner. Like it's either immediate satisfaction or nothing, and they're getting out of their trades way too soon. When they're not getting that like immediate gratification, they're like, okay, and they just get out of their trade where they're not supposed to. I've never heard that one before. If I'd be modest, I really would be perfect. I'm going to start using it. I've never heard that before. That's a good one. I like that. Here we go. Nice little, well, nice. I mean, we're up 15 bucks. Not anything crazy, but we are not really close to getting out yet. Actually, that's not true. The next bar. Okay, we are now out. We're now out wherever this bar closes. Where actually are we looking? I'm trying to figure out where this bar is looking. No, that's not where it's looking. What? Oh, you know what? I think my studies are wrong. No, I have the wrong studies on. Shoot. Do I? I'm so confused at what my studies are looking at right now. It doesn't matter. I know I'm getting out of this candle at close. Does it really matter? I just don't really know what my studies are doing. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, these lines. So I short above the yellow line to cover below the blue line, but I don't know what it's. I don't know. The blue line is like looking all the way back here, and I don't think that's not right. I have the study wrong. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. We are out here. Nice win! Up 56 bucks on the Dizzly day. Alrighty, so that covers the live day trades from the first hour of the day. Just buying weakness, selling strength. Buying weakness, selling strength. And as I drag over the rest of the day here, you can see we ended up over triple digits today, over $100, $105.76, doing a lot of the same. When the SPY is below this 204 SMA, and yes, I use the 204. I know that sounds random, but that's why you backtest. We found that the 204 SMA variable ended up being the most profitable one. We are taking both longs and shorts. So we are trading a lot when SPY gaps down, essentially, or when SPY runs down below this SMA. We are trading a lot. But let's zoom in a little bit. It looks crazier than it actually is. When you're zoomed out like this, it looks ridiculous. But when you zoom in, just the way TOS shows trades, when you zoom in, you can actually see what we're doing, right? We're getting long on dips, selling rips. We're getting short on rips up. Even we're holding through some pain, and we're covering on dips. What are we doing? Buying weakness, selling strength. Buying weakness, selling strength. Buying weakness, selling strength. That's over and over and over again. That's really, really what we're quantifying with this strategy. We have a well-defined set of rules through which we do that through, right? But at the end of the day, buy low, sell high, short high, cover low, over and over and over. Hammer it out. We're up 100, triple digits today, over $105. Decent little day. Let's go ahead, drag over the trader view. As you guys know, show you all my statistics. I show you all the trades I take, lay out my real equity curve. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. Obviously, it would be super easy for me to just not show you this equity curve and just pretend like I make a shitload of money. And obviously, we actually are doing okay right now. But we are up $750 on the month. We're coming out of a little recovery here from a couple of red days not necessarily in a row. Red, green. Chopping around up here, not quite back to all-time highs at 794, but obviously still trending in the right direction. Is maybe a little bull flag on our P&L chart. Are we allowed to say that? Are we allowed to do technical analysis on our own P&L equity curves? But we're up 750 on the month. Traded a lot of volume today, a lot of trades, but a 68.97% win rate. Let's go ahead, flip to the details. Speaking of win rate, still over 65% win rate. You guys can look at the rest of the statistics here. I want to actually flip to this quickly. TraderView has a chart or a report called market behavior, where you can look at how you traded versus how specific market tracking equities are doing, and SPY is one of those equities. So this works really nicely for us, actually, since what we trade is SPY. So we can see, we make the most money so far. We're only a month into this, but we make the most money when SPY is +1 to +2%. If it's up over 2%, it's actually when we do the worst, surprisingly enough. But this is going to be start to be a fun thing to look at. I don't know how it defines trend. That would be something interesting to look at, but we actually do lose. We're down a little bit of money, $10, literally nothing. But when it's trending down, I don't know exactly what that means as far as TraderView goes. But this will be fun to look at and continue to look at too. I just wanted to show you guys that this exists, and I really, really would recommend TraderView. Join the stream. I am an affiliate. I actually don't think my affiliate link gets you any money off. I still have to pay full price. I do still pay for it. It's not like I get this for free. It's not like they pay me to say it. I just really, really couldn't recommend TraderView more. It really, really is worth it. Whatever you're using, maybe you don't want to pay $30 a month. Remember, it is a tax write-off. You're using it to help yourself earn revenue. It's like one of the easiest tax write-offs of all time. But you still don't want to pay whatever. You need to be journaling your trades, whether it's through TraderView, whether you just do it in Excel. You're not going to get all the cool same statistics unless you take the time to build it yourself, which is a lot of work that you get through TraderView. But you need to be journaling your trades like this. And like I do at the end of these videos, you need to be going over them at the end of each day, kind of see how you're doing, see how your statistics look. It really helps you trim the fat, learn where you're making the most money, learn where areas are hurting you so you can cut those areas out, right? And you can take advantage of areas where you're making more money. Anyway, we're ranting now in the end, but that's the video. That's the trade recap for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Nice little bounce back day from yesterday. Still trending obviously in the correct direction here, up 749 on the month. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, you must have at least a little bit. If you did, please hit the like button. It really does help. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.